Yeah, hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to explain about text transformation. So I am starting with the combine column. So combine column is very simple. Like in this, we are going to combine two column into one column. Let me show you this. So after combining, what would be the name? Just simple. I am giving the combine name. Comp new. Now combined value. Uh, how to separate the combined value, like I have combined first name and last name. So how we want to separate, either space, tab, comma, semicolon. So I'm going to select space, but we have other option, like if we want something a special character, then we can use in other, but I'm going to use space. And this is the last option, this is optional, remove column being combined. Just example, I have combined first name and last name. So if I want to remove the column first name and last name and want to keep only comb new column, or can say let me give you full name, or if we want to keep only new column, then we can mark it here. But if we want to see the combined column as well as existing column, then we don't need to mark here. Select columns to combine. What are the columns we want to combine here? Simple, store name, sorry, store reason will be better first, and then you are store reason, then store name. Anything we can select. I am selecting this. Okay. Now let me put done, and now just keep output dataset, give the name Domo training. Same name give to this data flow. So here we may have one question, so why we are giving two name, one here, one here. So this is the data flow name and this is output name. So data flow name will be unique, but we can have multiple output in one data flow. So we have to give the data flow output name also. Let me save and run. So this will take very less time compared to SQL. But here we have volume of data is higher than we were using input data set in SQL. Like here we have 193 row, 193,000 row, but the data set that we were using in SQL had I think 20 30 row maximum, but still it taken less time than SQL data set. So it's combined. We must have a new column, comb new. Yes, we have the new column, comb new. Let's say it must be the combination of two column. Yes, reason and then store name. And after reason we have a space and then a store name. Sorry, this is the reason west, and this is the space, and this Portland Malby crossing is store name. Let me verify this. Store name should be Portland Malby crossing. We can search the column here, store name. We can see this is the store name. So thank you.